Access toolbar. If you use an Excel command frequently, you can add it to the quick access toolbar. You can even add commands to the quick access toolbar that are not in the ribbon. By the default, the quick access toolbar contains four commands: autosave, save, undo, and redo. To add a command to the quick access toolbar, execute the following steps. Click the down arrow, click more commands. Under the choose commands, select commands not in the ribbon. Select fill color, then click add, then click OK. You can see the commands here. Now slash. To remove a command from the quick access toolbar, right click the command and click remove from quick access toolbar. Remove from quick access toolbar. Okay. I think you have understood my words. Okay, thank you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.